Hi, good morning students. Today we discuss about chapter 2, second chapter, laws of motion. Okay, laws of motion. What is meant by motion? What is meant by motion? A body is said to be in motion. It continuously changes its position with time. Continuously changes its position with time. It is called motion. Okay. The Newton introduced three popular laws of motions. Motion of a body. These three laws discussed in the relation between force and applied force and position of the body. Position of the body. Newton introduced three laws of motion. First law of motion, second law of motion, third law of motion. Okay. Here, look at the board. Motion. A body is said to be in motion. It continues changes. The body continues changes its position. With time. Then the body is in motion, moving state. Okay. Newton introduced popular laws of motions. Newton's laws of motion. Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law of motion can be stated as every object will remain at rest. Every object try to remain at rest or in a state of uniform motion. Every object either are in rest or in state of uniform motion. The example of object state of uniform motion is air. Air is always continuous to move, randomly to move in all directions. Continuously move in all directions always. Okay. Every object will remain at rest. Blackboard, wall, fan, tables, some etc. are try to remain in the resting state or equilibrium state. Or some objects like air always continuously move in the atmosphere. So Newton first law, most important. Newton first law stated as every object will remain at rest, or some objects in a state of uniform motion. Example air, unless compelled to change its state. By the external force. మనం ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేయనంత వరకు రెస్టింగ్ స్టేట్ లో ఉన్న బాడీ రెస్టింగ్ స్టేట్ లోను, కంటిన్యూస్ యూనిఫామ్ మోషన్ లో ఉన్న బాడీ యూనిఫామ్ మోషన్ లోను, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎయిర్ సేమ్ స్టేట్ లో ఉంటాయి. అన్లెస్ కంపెల్డ్ టు చేంజ్ ఇట్స్ స్టేట్ బై యాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఫోర్స్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద న్యూటన్ ఫస్ట్ లా ఆఫ్ మోషన్. Once again, Newton's first law of motion stated as every object will remain at rest or in the state of uniform motion. ఎప్పటి వరకు అంటే unless compelled to change its state. దేని ద్వారా చేంజ్ చేయాలి? దాని యొక్క స్టేట్ ని by the action of force. Change the state by the action of force or net force. It is called Newton's first law of motion. Here, what happens to an object when net force act on it is zero? What happens to an object when no net force act on object? No net force act on object, that object remains in the same resting position, or that object is in the same moving position with constant speed. No, there is no net force act on the body. The body still remains the same resting position, or the body is still same moving position with constant speed. If there is no net force acting on the body. Okay students. So it either remains at rest, or move in a straight line, with constant speed. When there is no net force act on the body, act on the object. That is the most important Newton's first law of motion. Here, observing the motion of a pen cap kept on the thick paper ring. Observe the motion of pen cap kept on a paper ring. Here, look at the textbook, page number 22. Here, this is an empty bottle, empty glass bottle. This is the paper ring, thick paper ring. The pen cap kept on the paper ring. Empty bottle, the paper ring, thick paper ring kept on mouth of the bottle, empty bottle. So pen cap kept on the paper ring. Move the paper ring as fast as you can. Push the paper ring. Remove the only just paper hoop or paper ring as fast as you can. The pen cap felt in the bottle. This is because the inertia of pen cap on the thick paper ring. So this is the observing the motion of the pen cap on thick paper ring. Here observing the motion of the carom coins on the carom board. Observing the motion of the carom coins on the carom boards. Arrange the carom coins one over the other. Pile the carom coins one over the other on the carom board. Hit the strike the striker. Sharply strike the striker at bottom of the carom coin. The bottom of the carom coin moves fast on the carom board. The remaining coils slide down. This is also the static inertia of carom coin, bottom carom coin. Okay, here look at the board. Observing the motion of a pen cap kept on the thick paper ring. We push the thick paper ring as fast as we can. The pen cap kept in the body. Observing the motion of a carom coin hit by a striker. The carom coin, only bottom coin moves on the carom board. The remaining carom coins just slide down on the carom board. This is because this is the static inertia of pen cap and the static inertia of bottom of the carom coin. Static inertia or standing inertia means here the body at rest, bottom of the coin or pen cap on the paper ring. The body at rest always try to stay. ఎప్పుడు ట్రై చేస్తాయి అన్నమాట. ఏం ట్రై చేస్తాయి? రెస్టింగ్ స్టేట్ లో ఉండడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాయి అవి. Always try to stay at the same state of rest. It does not accept. అవి యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయవు. ఈ ప్లేస్ ని పొజిషన్ ని చేంజ్ చేయడానికి యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయవు. Everybody try to stay in the resting state. It does not accept any change in its position. Until some force act on it. ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మీద ఎక్స్టర్నల్ గా మనం ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేయనంత వరకు ఎవ్రీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ట్రై టు రెస్ట్ ఇన్ ద రెస్టింగ్ స్టేట్. ఎప్పటి వరకు? when no net force, no external force act on the object. That is the static inertia. Once again, the body at rest always try to stay at the same resting position. It does not accept any change. Its position. ఎప్పటి వరకు? Until some force act on it is called static inertia. Okay, same dynamic inertia. Every body try to move continuously with constant speed unless external force act on it. Until external force act on it. It is called dynamic inertia. Dynamic inertia. Here, the body which is in the motion. Example, air. The body which is in motion always try to move same direction until some force act on it. Until some force act on it. It is this property is called dynamic inertia. This property is called dynamic inertia. Air moves randomly in all directions with a certain speed until the no net force act on it. That is the dynamic inertia. Here, the dynamic inertia. The Newton first law stated as same. Every object try to remain at rest or in the state of uniform motion unless compelled by change state by the net force or external force. Newton first law stated as formula F net means here F net means net force equal to 0. Then velocity of an object is either 0. If net force 0, velocity of object also 0. Okay, velocity of object 0 or constant. It is also called law of inertia. Newton first law also called constant inertia. Here, inertia and mass. Inertia of an object. If inertia increases, mass also increases. Mass of object increases, inertia also increases. Here, inertia and mass. Inertia of an object that resists change its state. Inertia object resists against change its state. If inertia of object increases, mass of object also increases. Change state of motion. Okay, mass of an object increases. Inertia also increases. Mass is the property, fundamental property. Mass is the fundamental property of any object. That specifies how much inertia of the object has. If the object has more mass, it has a more inertia. Object has a lesser mass, it has a less inertia. Okay, students, we will meet in the next class. Okay.